Question number 1 of exercise A. 18 bags contain 540 kilogram grains. How many kgs of grains will be there in 12 such bags? Let's see at the numbers given in the question. First number is 18 bags, 540 kilogram grains and 12 such bags. What do we have to find out? How many kgs of grains will be there in 12 such bags? So total grains, first of all we'll find out total grains in 18 bags. So how much is it? It's 540 kilograms. And then from this number we can find out grains in one bag. So we'll divide 540 with 18. 540 divided by 18 will give us 18 to 3 are 36, 18 3 are 54. And if we bring down 0 over here, we'll add 0 here also. So grains in one bag will be 30 kgs. And to find out total grains in 12 bags, we will multiply 30 kgs with 12. 30 multiplied by 12 will give us 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 1 zeros are 0 and 1 threes are 3. It will give us the answer as 360. So the answer is 360 kgs. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 2 says a factory can produce 9,000 bags in 30 days. How many bags can be produced in 18 days? So first of all, we'll find out we have got bags produced in 30 days is 9,000. Then through this number, we can find out the bags produced in one day. And how will we find out? We divide 9,000 with 30. Let's see the calculation. 9,000 divided by 30 is going to give us 13 threes are 90 and the remainder is 0. If we want to bring down 2 zeros, we'll have to increase 2 zeros over also. So the answer is 300 bags for one day. Now we have, and as per the question, we have to find out how many bags can be produced in 18 days. So for that, we will multiply 300 bags, which can be produced in one day, with 18. Now let's do the calculation. 300 multiplied by 18. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 20. And then we'll increase 0 over here and then we can write 3,000 over here, because if any number is multiplied by 1, we get the number 0, 0, plus 0 is 4 and 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 5,400 bags. Question number 3. Question says 1 dozen umbrellas cost rupees 900. What is the cost of 16 umbrellas? As we already know, 1 dozen means 12. So cost of 1 dozen umbrellas means cost of 12 umbrellas. So cost of 1 dozen umbrella has been given as 900. We have to find out the cost of one umbrella. So for this, we will divide 900 with 12. Let's find out. 900 divided by 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, which will leave us a remainder of 10 minus 4 is 6 and 12 5s are 60. So cost of one umbrella is 75. Is 75. Here also we'll write the unit. The cost of 16 umbrellas we have to find out. So we will multiply the cost of one umbrella, which is 75, with 16. And if we multiply 75 with 16, let's see the calculation. 75 multiplied by 16 will give us 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 7s are 42, plus 3 give us 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 0, 5 5 10, carry 1, 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So the answer is cost of 16 umbrellas is rupees 1200. Now, a bakery bakes 840 cupcakes in a week. How many cupcakes? 840 cupcakes in a week. How many cupcakes can be baked in 15 days? How many days will it take to bake 3000 cakes? Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at the first part of the question. Cupcakes baked in 1 week. 1 week we already know. 1 week has got 7 days. Cupcakes baked in 1 week are 840. If we have to find out cupcakes baked in 1 day, we will divide 840 by 7. Let's do it. 840 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder 1. We'll get 4 down here. 7 twos are 40. Gives us a remainder of 0. And now we'll get the 0 down. If we are taking the 0 down, we will increase 0 in our quotient also. So the answer is 120 cupcakes in 1 day. Now we have to find out the cupcakes. The first part of the question is asking cupcakes baked in 15 days. So 1 day cupcake multiplied by 15 days will give us, let's multiply this, 120 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 5 ones are 5, 1, 6. We'll increase 0 over here at the ones place and then 1, 2, 0. Any number multiplied by 1 will give us number is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2, 8 and 1. The answer is cupcakes which we can get in 15 days is 1800 cupcakes. Now we have to find out the number of days required to bake 3000 cake. So for this we will divide 3000 with the production of 1 day cupcake which is 120. And if we divide 3000 with 120, we can just cut 0 over here. 12 twos are 24, which leaves us a remainder of 6. We will put 0 over here and 12 fives are 60. So the answer is 25 days. Number of days required to bake 3000. Okay, I'll write it again over here. It is 25 days. Got it? Moving on to exercise 4b, we have to find out what the question says. Question says cost of 1 kg onion is rupees 20. Find the cost of 250 grams of onion. We have been given one hint over here which says 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So cost of 1 kg onion or 1000 grams has been given as rupees 20. So we have to find out 250 grams. How do we get 250 grams? When we divide 1000 with 4, we get 250. So for this, 1000 divided by 4 will give us 250. Similarly, we will divide 20 with 4. We will get the answer as rupees 5. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2 says, from 400 liters of oil, a shopkeeper fills 5 jars. How many jars are filled from 1920 liters of oil. It means if we have to fill 1920 liters of oil, how many jars we will need? So what has been given in question? Oil in 5 jars have been given as 480 liters, and we have to find out the oil in one jar, and then whatever is there in one jar, we will divide that. We will divide 1920 with that number. So let's find out how much is the oil in 400 in one jar. For this, we will divide 480 with 5. Let's divide and find out the answer. 480 divided by 5, 5 nines are 45. Gives us a remainder of 3. We'll bring down 0 here, and 5 6 are. So it is 6. 96. Oil in one jar is 96 liters. From this 96 liters, we can find out the number of jars. So jars needed for 1920 liters is, we will divide 1920 with 96. Let's find out 1920 with 96. Multiplied by 2 will give us 90. You can simply find it out over here. 96 multiplied by 2. 2 6 are 12, carry 1. 2 9s are 18, 1 9. So 96 multiplied by 2 will give us 192, leaves a remainder of 0, and then we'll bring 0 down and we'll increase 0 in our quotient also. It gives us 20 jars. So from 1920 liters of oil, we can fill 20 jars. I hope the question is clear. Now coming on to the next question, question number 3. A car takes 6 hours to travel 330 kilometers. How many hours will it take to travel 880 kilometers? So first of all, what has been given in the question? Distance traveled in 6 hours is given as 330 kilometers. We'll find out distance traveled in 1 hour, which is we will divide 330 by 6, and with this division we will find out the distance traveled in 1 hour. Let's do it. 330 divided by 6, 6 5s are 30, leaves us a remainder of 3. We'll bring down the 0, 6 5s are 30 again. Gets a remainder of 0, and the answer is distance traveled in 1 hour equals to 55 kilometers. So hours needed to travel 880 kilometers. How will we find out this number? We will divide 880 by 55 kilometers, and this will give us the number of hours needed. Let's do it. 880 divided by 55. 55 ones are 55, and 55 6 are 300. The answer is 16 hours. Coming to question number 4. A worker earns rupees 650 in 13 days. What will be his income if he works for 13 days? In this question, income earned in 13 days has been given as what? It has been given as rupees 600. Income earned in 1 day, for this we will divide 650 by 13. Let's solve it. 650 by 13. 13 multiplied by 5. 13 5s are 60. Leaves us a remainder of 0, and we'll increase 0 here also. So income earned in 1 day is rupees 50. So income in 30 days, we will multiply rupees 50 with 30 days, and we'll get the answer as 5 3s are 15. We are simply multiplying 5 and 3 together, and then we put 2 zeros at the back. The answer is rupees 15. Question number 5. A typist types 80 pages in 5 days. How many days will it take to type 2400 pages. Pages completed in 5 days. How much is given? 80 pages. Now, pages completed in 1 day. For this, we will divide 80 with 5, which will give us pages completed in 1 day. 5 ones are 5, gives a remainder of 3. We'll bring down 0. 5 6 are 30. So the answer is pages completed in 1 day are 16 pages. And now we have to find out days required to complete 2400 pages. So for this, we will divide 2400 by 16, and the answer, let's calculate it, 2400 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16, and 14 minus 6, we get this, 14 minus 6 is 8, and 16 fives are 80. We'll get this 0 down here. The answer is 150. I hope all the questions are clear to you and their solutions as well. Now you have to solve this. Thank you.